Hey there! Have you ever wished you could remember names faster or focus like a laser on your work? Well, let me introduce you to the world of neurohacking, your 2025 guide to a smarter you. So, what exactly is neurohacking? Imagine having a toolkit for your brain. Tools, techniques, and even technology that help optimize how your mind works. It's not science fiction. It's about using real, proven methods to boost your focus, sharpen your memory, and reduce stress. Let's break down some of the core methods because this is where it gets really interesting. First, nootropics. These are supplements or smart drugs that can improve your focus and memory. Imagine getting through your to-do list 20% faster just because your brain is firing on all cylinders. Next up, wearables. There are devices today that track your brainwaves and your sleep, giving you insights you never had before. And with neurofeedback, studies have shown a 15% boost in focus. That's like leveling up your concentration game instantly. Meditation is another big one. Just a few minutes a day can slash your stress levels, helping you stay calm when life gets hectic. And don't underestimate the power of good sleep. It's the foundation for better memory and sharper thinking. There's also PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, which supports brain health at a cellular level. Pretty cool, right? And if you're feeling overwhelmed, neurohacking coaches are out there to build personalized plans tailored just for you. But why should you care about neurohacking? Let's talk results. Enhanced focus, up to 20% better performance on tasks. Improved memory, 15% more retention, so you actually remember what you learn. Plus, with lower stress and long-term brain health, you're not just working smarter today, you're investing in your future self. Alright, so how do you start? Step 1. Set your goals. Is it better focus, deeper sleep? Step 2. Choose your tools. Maybe a nootropic supplement or a wearable device. Step 3. Track your progress. There are tons of apps and gadgets that make this easy. And if you want an edge, coaching platforms like Neurohub.bio offer personalized plans and even a free BrainStack blueprint you can download today. So, if you're ready to boost your brain's full potential, check out Neurohub.bio and grab your blueprint, and subscribe for more tips on being a smarter you. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset, so why not hack it?